We're going to dig, and we're going to dig aggressively.
Michael Fow, an attorney that specializes in crimes against children, is now investigating Discovery Playtown as one of its employees is facing charges of child molestation and rape of a child. Joseph Hefner, who also goes by Joseph Jones, is accused of abusing two young girls when they were 9 and 12 years old. According to investigators, Hefner became friends of the family when they would drop off their youngest daughter, who was 5 years old, at the daycare.
This is obviously a very disturbing story and series of events, and I think it's going to continue to play out in the near future.
So it sounds like you believe there are more victims.
I'm almost certain there are.
Court documents state the alleged crimes Hefner is charged with did not happen at the daycare. The firm is now asking for witnesses.
You have to question how a daycare hired someone who had been convicted of a sex crime against children.
Court documents reveal Hefner was convicted of child molestation when he was a teenager and had to register as a sex offender from 2013 to 2021. In a statement earlier this week, the daycare owner says Hefner's criminal past never showed up on a background check and had no reason to believe he was unsuitable for employment.
The big issue is, did the institution, did the daycare know, or should they have known that children were at risk? And that's the heart of the civil case.
Attorneys say when it comes to juveniles, convictions can be sealed, and Hefner likely had to register as a sex offender for only 8 years because he was under 18. But a state law that took effect last year makes that time frame even less. Now, juvenile offenders are required to register for only 3 years after they're released. But attorneys in this case want to make sure this doesn't happen again.
Children are harmed because mistakes are made. That's generally what we find.
And previously, the daycare owner says they're dedicated to the safety of children in their care. Attorneys say they're also investigating the daycare director that was fired around the same time as Hefner and if there have been any previous reports filed against him. We've reached back out to the daycare owner and are waiting to hear back tonight. Back to you.